Hello students! Today we will learn about the variation in shape and function of cells. What difference do you observe in the cells given here? All these cells have different shapes. The shape of a cell depends on its function. Let us look at the shapes and functions of a few cells. Red blood cells are disc-shaped and their main function is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. The disc shape increases the surface area of the cell, thereby increasing the amount of oxygen it can carry. Muscle cells are thin, long and spindle-shaped. The spindle shape of muscles helps in the efficient contraction and relaxation. Nerve cells are long and thin. They help in carrying messages from the brain to different body parts. The shape of the nerve cells allows them to transmit signals to distant parts of the body. Plants have specialized cells called root hair cells present at the tip of the roots. These cells are elongated in shape. The shape of the root hair cells helps in absorbing water and other nutrients from the soil in an efficient manner. Now, let us look at some examples of how the irregular shape of some cells helps in their functions. Amoeba is a unicellular organism that has an irregular shape. The cell forms a finger-like projection called pseudopodia that helps in engulfing a food particle. White blood cells also have an irregular shape. Their shape makes them flexible and helps them to pass through different body parts so that they can capture germs. Now, let's summarize. Multicellular organisms have cells of different shapes that help in performing various functions in the body. RBCs are disc-shaped cells. The disc shape increases the surface area of the cell, thereby increasing the amount of oxygen it can carry. The spindle shape of muscles helps in their efficient contraction and relaxation. Nerve cells are long and thin, which allows them to transmit signals to distant parts of the body. The elongated shape of the plant root hair cells helps them in absorbing water and nutrients efficiently. The irregular shape of the amoeba helps in forming a finger-like projection called pseudopodia to engulf food. The irregular shape of WBCs makes them flexible and helps them pass through different body parts to capture germs.